This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hello, Fraction Star! In this video, we'll learn to match fractions to models. Let's get started. Here is our first example. What fraction of the shape is orange? We need to write the fraction that matches the model. In this model, the big triangle is one whole. The whole has been divided into smaller parts. To find what fraction of this triangle is orange, we'll first count the number of equal parts in our whole. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 equal parts, which means this triangle is divided into thirds. Each part is 1/3 of the whole triangle. Next, we'll count the orange parts. 1, 2. There are 2 orange parts. That means 2/3 of this triangle are orange. To write 2/3 as a fraction, we'll put a 2 on the top and a 3 on the bottom. You read this fraction 2/3. Let's try another. What fraction of the shape is purple? This time, let's count the colored parts first. There are 4 colored parts, so the top number in our fraction is 4. Next, we'll count the total parts. There are 6, so this whole rectangle is divided into sixths. You read this fraction 4/6. You're doing great! I think you're ready for a challenge. Look at the colored part of each shape. Which shape shows the fraction 1/4? I can see that each shape has only one colored part, so we'll need to look closely and find the shape that is divided into fourths. Our first shape is divided into 5 equal parts, so the colored part is 1/5. The next shape is divided into 6 parts, so 1/6 of this model is colored. And our last shape has 4 equal parts. This model shows 1/4. That's our answer. Nice work. Ready for another? This time there are 4 models for us to choose from. You got this. Look at the colored part of each shape. Which shape shows the fraction 2/3? Let's work from left to right. Our first model has 2 parts of size 1/4 colored, which is 2/4. Next, 2 parts of size 1/3 are colored, which is 2/3. The pink shape has 2 parts of size 1/6 colored, which is 2/6. And finally, our green shape has 2 parts of size 1/8 colored, which is 2/8. We're looking for the shape that shows the fraction 2/3. Do you see it? Yep, it's the yellow one. Awesome job. Thanks for taking the time to practice matching fractions to models. That was fun, and you're ready to try some on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.